Hello everyone. I have a special show today. This one is Pray for Your Plants. As funny as that may seem, it's a good idea to pray for your plants. People pray for each other. They pray for their pets. They pray for all kinds of things. But, oftentimes plants get neglected in prayer. But you should pray for your plants as well. I have here I've got a pot that from up here looks empty, but I planted ginger in there, and ginger is pretty easy to grow, and they usually pop up around November. They start to grow, and in the case of these that I planted, they haven't done anything, but I've been patient. I've prayed over them, and today, April 3rd, I come out, and just overnight I have a little sprig of ginger. Try to zoom in on that a little bit right there, but there he is, that little teeny sprig of ginger grown up there. Just popped up overnight, just overnight. Just simply pray for your plants. I have another really exceptional one that popped up over last night as well. I'm gonna put you on pause while I make my way back to the pineapple area. Hold on. Now today, while inspecting the plants, this pineapple here, right here is the pineapple that grew last year, and then a month or two later, so I'm guessing like maybe around December, it put out new growth, so it's making a whole nother pineapple plant after that one. So if you have pineapples and once they make the fruit, don't discard it. It takes a little while, but it'll make new plants and it'll grow. Now the thing that I'm thrilled about today is I inspect all these plants every day, make sure they're okay from bugs and pests and just whatever. I care over them. And this particular pineapple right here has been struggling. We were even considering just discarding it and throwing it away, but I told my wife, I'm like, let's just hang on to it and see what it does. And I've literally prayed, God, if you're willing, make this little guy grow. Don't let him die. And today, I come out here, and it wasn't there yesterday, but here it is, right there. There's new growth. So the plant apple lived, and the best part about it is that I'm sitting there praying for the plant, and God answered the prayer. So, not only does God make things grow, but He also answers your prayers, even for just the little things like, just making your plants grow. If your prayers are reasonable, God will give you anything that you want. I have another example. I'm going to put you on pause and make my way over to our blueberry plant. Okay, here's our wonderful blueberry plant. As you can see, we've got blueberries just all over the place on this plant. This year has done better than any year. As a matter of fact, we've had this plant for several years. I want to say maybe 5 years, maybe even more. But for several years, the plant didn't do anything at all. It just was just a plant in a pot. And we were, my wife and I, considering again discarding this plant. But each year I'm like, let me try something else. I kept trying different things, and the Lord led me to a video on YouTube, and the video said that blueberries like acidic soil. So I took a bunch of lemons and put lemons down inside of the dirt, and the following season, which would have been last year, it produced blueberries for the first time. So we were just thrilled to death that we finally figured out what the cure was. It was just something simple as just making the soil acidic. And then this year, here we have even more. So I'm just pleased to death. And again, we prayed over this plant, and that God would produce fruit for us, and here it is. So, You know, there's power in prayer in everything that you do, including your plants. So I highly recommend that you pray for your plants. Protection against the bugs, the mildew, and just anything that may come after your plants. God will not only protect you, but He'll also protect your food. So I strongly recommend praying for your plants. You can put all the fertilizer and water and everything that you want on the plants, but it's God ultimately that makes things grow, and it's ultimately God that gives us food. So pray for your plants, and I pray for you, and I thank all you YouTubers out there, everybody watching this video that's shared this information with me. Um, YouTube shared countless information, and now it's my turn to give back my knowledge to YouTubers, anybody that's watching these videos. So I hope you all have a great day. God bless, and I should have an update on Turtle soon enough. She still hasn't done the turtle dance, but once she does the turtle dance, that's the next phase in her egg laying process. But she's still not quite ready yet, so she's taking her sweet time, it seems, this year. She's in the past already been doing the turtle dance, but anyway, everybody have a great day. God bless, and I'll be talking with you again soon. Thank you. Bye.